Hi everyone, this is an old-fashioned Makita torch, one of the most rare torches you'll ever see in your entire life. It is at least 45 years old or 35 years old. Let's have a quick look. Makita ML700. Here is the light bulb, 7.2 volts. Here is the battery, which is a very new one. We'll have a quick look. See the writing on the side there. This is one of the rare ones that you'll ever see because it is orange. And if we can have a look, there's a light switch there. We're just doing a quick maintenance, making sure the contact on the battery and inside the torch that it's nice and clean. I'll just put that there, and I'll give you a quick demonstration how to pull the head off. This is the head. That's your torch. If you're not too sure how to pull one of these apart, that's your contacts, your positive or negative, and it's the opposite side as well. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Just inside that little hole there is a brass, stainless steel that goes up to the light bulb. And if you're not too sure how to pull these apart, right here, if we'll have a quick look, this section here, they actually squeeze in, which are very hard, like so. But we'll have a quick demonstration. There's our voltmeter. Now the switch here, it just push in like so. We'll turn that on and we'll check our readings with the contacts. Let's have a quick look. Can we get this to stay? Can we get it to stay? Or not? Maybe not. It just must have fallen over. If I can get it to stay. And we'll have a quick reading. Now we should be around about 7.2 volts. Can we turn that in? Move that a little bit over so I can see. Or not. Can we see or not? We'll have a quick look. We're actually a little bit above 7.2. So that looks good. And we'll just zoom this out. And there we go. And we'll just drop the phone. Like so. And if I can get it to stand up. Now what we're going to do, we're just going to squeeze these in. And we're going to pop the head on. Sometimes you don't have to. And there we go, we're on. And there we go, there's our torch. And there we go, our old-fashioned torch works. That's an old-fashioned torch. Once again, with these batteries, with the old Makita battery, can also work with the Ryobi battery. And a drill, which we have down here. That's an old-fashioned drill, Makita, about 35 years old on that one. And then we've got the version straight after, which is that one. And just move that out the road. As you can see, the contacts are very dirty. That's the battery. We can also put the battery in here, like so. I don't know if this one's actually charged. No, it ain't charged, actually. Just take the other battery out. Out of the torch. Can we see? Can we see? There we go. Now the only thing is about this battery, they don't actually work with the latest edition, and that's the Ryobi. Now if we can take the battery out, they are similar design, but they're only half. There we go. They don't quite work with the newer version. But there we go. So if you're not too sure how to pull one of these apart, if we can, we'll go into the sunlight and have a closer look. If you can. Just get a screwdriver in here. And then just got to push them over. And then pull your head off, straight up. And there you go. Yeah, one of these torches you can probably see at least 200 meters, at least, perfectly. Old-fashioned Makita ML700. You may never see an orange one ever again, but it'll probably be that greeny colour. Thanks for watching.